Well, it is that time again, the time to plant the garden. And as you can see, I've gotten all the weeds out. I've tilled it up. I've got a couple extra bags of flower and vegetable garden soil. It has fertilizer added to it, so I don't have to worry about that this year. And this year I'm using this black mesh privacy fence to keep the deer out because I don't have all my rosemary bushes in place. Last winter kind of killed off a bunch of those. So I am kind of improvising this year. This should help with them not getting so much harsh sun, but what sun does hit in this garden on the east side of the house will be concentrated in this area to promote growth. That's my hope anyway. So today I'm going to show you just how to properly plant tomato plants to get the best crop from them. So what you want to do with your tomato plants, and as you'll see, sometimes they come in these, little 6-packs. I buy them like that, and you'll see how tall this is. This is about 6 inches high. But when you plant your tomatoes, a lot of people just put them in the dirt to where the dirt just stops here, at the top of the pot. That's not what you want to do. You want to plant your tomato plant half under the dirt. And you're probably wondering, why would I plant half of the tomato plant under the dirt? Well, that's because all of these leaves and these junctions become part of the root system, which gives you a nice thick stem on your tomato plant. It also promotes more tomatoes. So when you dig your hole, you're going to dig it the depth of the pot plus half the length of the tomato. And then you're going to take your little tomato plant and you're going to put it right in that little hole. Now the next thing you want to do is you want to give it a good drink of water. So those new root systems will prosper and do very well. So I've got my little watering can here. I'm going to throw some water in there. You can just fill that hole up. To the top of that dirt of the tomato. Now,